Good morning, students of class 8. Previous class exercise 20b we have started, and up to question number 18 we have done. So before starting 20b, we will do first activity. One activity we will solve, and then we will do that. So you will write the activity in your class work copy. That is, heading will be activity, and that is maths picture pyramid problem. Okay, so this problem is given, some boxes are empty, you have to fill up these boxes. So in which way you have to fill up the box? That will be sum of, from the last we have to start. Okay, sum of these two numbers will come this, sum of these two number this, these two number, sum of these two numbers this, sum of these two number this. On that way we have to proceed upwards. Okay, so first you will make this with blue pen, and then the empty boxes you will fill up with pencil. Now sum of these two numbers will come 25. So how we will get this number? This 25 minus 18. So 25 minus 18, it's coming 17. So 17 here we have to put. Now check it, 18 plus 17, it's coming 25. Now here 29, sum of these two numbers will come this. So how we will get this number? This minus this, 29 minus 18, it's coming 11. Check it, alternatively 11 plus 18, it's coming 29. Now what we will do, sum of these two numbers will come this. So next step will be, these columns we cannot fill up, so sum of these two numbers will come this. So that's why this step we have done. 29 plus 25, it's coming 54. Okay, now we are going in this step, because that steps we cannot do. So here 205 and this is 98. So what will be that? 205 minus 98, 107. 107 plus 98, it's coming 205. Now see that, now these steps we can solve. This number and this number we have got, sum of these two numbers will come this. So how we will get 107 minus 54? So it's coming 53. Okay, now sum of these two numbers will come 98. How it will come? This number minus this number, 98 minus 53, it's coming 45. Correct. Now sum of these two numbers 53. How we will get? 53 minus 29. So it's coming 24. Now sum of these two numbers will come this. So 45 minus 24, it's coming 21. Sum of these two numbers will come 24. So how we will get? 24 minus 11. So it's coming 13. Okay. Now sum of these two numbers will come 21. How? 21 minus 13. It's coming 8. So calculations I have done here. According to this you have to do the calculation, and then you have to fill up this pyramid. So completed activity. Now we are going in question number. Okay, here up to question number 18 we have done. 19 is easy question, I think you can solve it. Question number 20 and 21 both are the same types of question. So question number 21 I have solved. First you read the question. The length of a metallic tube is 1 meter, its thickness is 1 centimeter, and its inner diameter is 12 centimeter. Find the weight of the tube if the density of the metal is 7.7 grams per cubic centimeter. It is given. So if I will draw the metallic tube means its shape will come cylinder. So as a cylinder I have formed the figure. Now the length of the metallic tube is 1 meter. Length means height. Height is 1 meter. So I have converted in centimeter. This is H I have taken. Its thickness is 1 centimeter. Thickness means this portion, shaded portion. Shaded portion thickness 1 centimeter. So that portion and that portion 1 centimeter I have done. Now the inner diameter. Inner diameter means this. Inner diameter is what? 12 centimeter. This is 2R. 2R is inner diameter. So from the figure here you have to find the weight of the tube. So weight of the tube, how we will find? External volume minus internal volume. Weight of the wood That question also we have done. That will be external, that means shaded portion volume you have to find. So how we will get external volume minus internal volume. So external volume means external radius also needed. So that's why this is 2r. Internal diameter is 12 centimeters. So first we have find internal radius, that's we have denoted by small r. So 12 centimeter, 2r equal to 12 centimeters, so r equal to 6 centimeter. This is inner radius. So this is also 6 centimeter I have put it. So what will be the outer radius? 6 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, right? 7 centimeter will be the outer radius denoted by capital R. Outer radius by capital R, inner radius by small r, and h is 100 centimeter. Now only calculation left. Volume of the metallic tube will be external volume minus internal volume. That means pi capital R square h. External volume means external radius you have to take, and internal volume means internal radius you have to take, and height, both height will be same, the cylinder height. So pi capital R means what? 7 square into 100 minus pi small r means 6 square into 100. So pi into 100 I have taken common, and so within bracket it's coming 7 square minus 6 square. So 22 by 7 into 100, 7 plus 6 into 7 minus 6. After doing calculation I have kept this number because another calculation we have to do. That is, in your question it is given 1 centimeter cube of metal density is 7.7 gram. So if you will find the density of that centimeter cube, you will get the weight of the tube. So for that centimeter cube I have find the density. So 7.7 into this, done the calculation, it's coming in gram. You can keep it in gram, but in answer it is given in kg, that's why I have converted in kg divided by 1000. So it's coming 31.46 kg. So weight of the tube will be this.